Ooh, nice cutaway. Hey, 3, 2, 1, get it. Oh no. Oh, they tricked me with that one. That's crazy.
Battery low.
Girl, bye.
What's good, y'all? We got J Park, Long Shot, yeah, official MV. I checked out their last, I think it was a pre-release. This is like official release of their mixtape. J Park and Long Shot for Show Boys Volume 2 for Showville. Damn, for show for real. They have like 8 songs. We're gonna be checking it out on Twitch. I'll probably release album reaction on Patreon and on YouTube, so be sure to look out for that. But we're gonna check it out on Twitch later today at 3 p.m. PST. If you want to check it out with me, we're checking out Taeyang and J Park and Long Shot. These guys have been one of my faves, to be honest. It's been very interesting to watch explode onto the scene with their songs. They just hit, bro. Whatever J Park's doing, keep on doing you, bro. But without further ado, let's check out yeah. This looks crazy just based off the scene right here. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's like an anthem already. Hey.
He wasn't ready.
Ooh. Okay, talk it. Hey. We got an accent, but we ain't from the UK. Also, yes, I did know that Louis was part French, and he did speak French. My bad. I know in the last reaction he was like, "Don't you know the lore?" I'm like, my bad. But anyways, we got an accent, and we ain't from the UK.
Yeah, you won't see me take your feet. Yeah, just wait, 'cause you know that I'm in my own.
Hey. Yeah. Hey. Oh. What's up? Hey. Never lose.
Okay, this is the truth, you know, legends never die.
Legends never die. Hey. Talk about it. Ooh, nice cutaway. Hey, 3, 2, 1, get it. Oh no. Oh, they tricked me with that one. That's crazy.
Battery low.
Girl, bye.
Good shit. Good pause. Ooh. This ain't Cardi. Ain't no Travis. Hey. Ooh. Never lose. Ooh. Legends never die. Hey. Shout out to Hey. They cooking. Yeah. Hey, talk your shit. J Park, Long Shot, you cooking for real. Oh my god. Never lose. Nope. Oh my god, they even got the whole little J Park, long shot. So they got for show, yeah, yeah, no hi, no hey. Damn, run it up. Gook bong. Moya, the Purge for show remix, bro. Bruh. Hey man, they cooking. They cooking for real. For show, boys. Let's fucking go. Long shot, J Park. Put a comment down below what you guys think of J Park, Long Shot, More Vision, for show, boys, their whole mixtape. I'm gonna check it out later on Twitch live. Again, it'll be uploaded on Patreon and YouTube later. But if you want to check it out raw, full in effect, come through to Twitch, twitch.tv/DreKML. It's 3 p.m. PST. We're checking out Taeyong and J Park and Long Shot. Should be a good time. Should be a good time. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.